Welcome back, Runway enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Runway, exploring its capabilities in image generation, transforming text into video, and more. So, let's get started. The first step is to open a browser and type Runwayml. Click on the first link that appears. Sign up using your Google account. My account has already been created. A new interface will appear after that. You can explore all features by scrolling down the page. If you want to see tutorial, click on View All Tutorials. There are a lot of tutorials. These tutorials can be explored. Click Try Runway for free. Firstly, let's talk about image generation. With Runway, you can create stunning visuals effortlessly. To test it out, click on Text to Image. This interface will appear. You can adjust the ratio by pressing here. You can select the resolution from here. Here you can choose the style. I choose 3D cartoon. Our prompt will be written here. Here is my prompt that I've already prepared. Click on Generate. I'm amazed at the quality of the pictures it has generated. You can see the result here. You can download it by clicking on this arrow. We will now turn the image into a dynamic video. Simply click on the Text Image to Video button. Just click here. Choose your image. Then click Generate. After a while, a beautiful video appeared. The result can be seen here. That's amazing, isn't it? The possibilities are truly endless. Here's another fascinating idea, turning text into video. Click here again and type your prompt. I will write a fish swimming in the water. Click here to choose your video style. Scroll down the page and choose the style of your video. I will select 3D cartoon. Click on the Generate button. The video will appear shortly. Click here to download it. Voila! In just a few steps, we've created a mesmerizing video from scratch. That's the power of Runway. Thanks for tuning in to our Runway tutorial today. I hope you're as excited about these features as I am. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Until next time, happy creating!